If you're trying to stay ahead of labor law changes and want a fast, reliable way to do it without digging through legal jargon every month, HR software can save you hours and protect your business. But not all HR tools are created equal. And in this quick guide, I'll show you how to use the right one to stay compliant, avoid costly penalties, and actually simplify your workflow. Now, I've tested the most popular HR software options out there: Gusto, Bamboo HR, Deal, Rippling, and more. Some of them are great at payroll, others shine at onboarding. But when it comes to tracking labor law updates in real time and adapting to them automatically, only one stood out. I'll show you how to use it, and if you want to follow along, I've included an exclusive free trial link in the description, only for viewers of this channel. Let's jump in. First, why is this important? Labor laws change constantly. State, federal, even international rules if you have remote teams. Missing just one update can lead to expensive fines or lawsuits. HR software solves this by actively monitoring those legal changes for you. Once you're inside the dashboard of the software I recommend, the first thing you'll notice is a compliance tab or legal updates feed. It shows you the latest labor law changes specific to your business location and industry. No more guessing. No more outdated PDFs. Second, you'll want to set automated alerts. These notify you when a new labor law takes effect, so you can make quick changes to your policies, employee handbooks, or contract templates. With most platforms, this takes under a minute to configure and saves you hours down the line. Next, check the built-in policy templates. Good HR platforms offer pre-written policies that are always updated according to the latest labor laws. Instead of rewriting your employee agreements from scratch, you can adapt these templates and push updates across your team with a click. Another powerful feature: role-based access control. When labor laws shift, say new overtime rules or time off entitlements, you need to make sure managers and team leads only see what's relevant to them. The right HR software lets you assign different compliance responsibilities to different roles, keeping things organized and efficient. Now, here's something that's often overlooked: audit trails. If you're ever questioned about compliance, you need proof that you updated policies on time. This software keeps automatic logs showing exactly when updates were made and who confirmed them, essential for staying protected in case of disputes. And for remote or global teams, some tools even include localized compliance guidance for international hires, so you're not just guessing foreign labor rules. The key takeaway from this video is simple. If you're relying on manual tracking or outdated HR systems, you're leaving yourself vulnerable. Modern HR software not only keeps you ahead of labor law changes, it automates the hard parts, gives you peace of mind, and lets you focus on growing your business, not fighting legal fires. Quick recap. Use the compliance dashboard to get real-time legal updates, set alerts so you're never blindsided, leverage pre-built policy templates, assign role-based responsibilities, keep clean audit trails, and if you're managing a remote team, make sure the software handles local laws too. If you're ready to simplify this entire process and follow along with the exact tool I showed you, check out the exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available through my channel, and it's the one I personally recommend after testing all the top options. That's it for today. No fluff, just the essentials. Let me know in the comments if there's a specific HR feature you want broken down next.